Hello, everyone. Welcome to our this week's digital marketing updates. In this week, we have around seven updates which we are going to discuss and watch the video till the end so you can understand all the new changes which are going to happen in our digital marketing world. Now, the first update we have is from WordPress. Now, WordPress now has an OpenAI powered content generator. Now, the idea of this content generator is instead of going to individual AI content writers and generating the content and taking it back into WordPress, so WordPress now is providing in the Jetpack version itself, they are providing an option where you can use this plugin. Now, you can able to get up to 20 requests for free, all right? But after that, you have a premium version, which is unlimited requests for $10 per month. So basically, the idea is you can integrate this plugin and you can get the prompts directly. You can write the prompts directly from the WordPress and it connects to the OpenAI, which is basically the parent company of the ChatGPT, and from there we can able to generate the content. And also in this content generation, we also have different types of modes of content like formal or professional or funny or different kinds of modes of content also is there. So it would be a very great idea of using this prompt system. Basically, we are using the same concept of ChatGPT, but right away in our app itself, in our WordPress itself, in the editor itself. So it can able to help create articles, titles, summaries, and do the spelling mistakes and also the grammar check as well. So I would say it's a pretty good update for our digital market, especially for bloggers. It can be very effective because they can develop the structures and articles very quickly in their WordPress itself. So I would say on the scale of 1 to 10, this update I would rate it at the point of 7 because it will really help a lot of users to take advantage of this feature. The next update we have is Microsoft Ads boost analytics and global reach in June update. Now, in the previous update, already I told you about Google is integrating the universal event updates, universal event tracking insights, where I have shown you in the previous update how exactly it works and what are the features Microsoft is going to show. Apart from it, it is also going to integrate cross-browser attribution, and also Microsoft Ads is expanding to 23 new markets. All right, so that is going to be very helpful for certain companies which are not available to use with Microsoft Ads, so they can able to use it as well. So some of the features we have already seen this in our previous episode, but this is some new features also Microsoft is adding, and I will rate them on the scale of 5 out of 10 because it is going to be not very big impact for the whole digital industry, but only people who use Microsoft Ads, for them it can be a great aspect for great feature for usage. The next update we have is Google enhances Bard's reasoning skills. So basically, Google have announced that they have added few new reasoning capabilities in their AI system, and along with it, they have also given a new feature where we can export the data from the Bard to the Google Sheets as well, which is quite a good feature and good option for collecting a lot of data from this AI systems into our actual Google Sheets. So I would say this can be helpful for those who heavily use Google Bard, and in return they take a lot of data from Google Bard into the Excel. It will be a great idea, and also for lots of different questions which will require the reasoning aspect more, for them also it will be very good to use the Google Bard itself. So I would say this on the scale of 7 by 10 as well for this particular update. The next update we have is Microsoft Store Ads goes global and new features have been revealed. Microsoft Store Ads is basically, if you're having Windows apps, you can actually run specific ads on Microsoft Store, which is where people can download different Windows apps. Now, apart from it, now Microsoft stores have expanded to 150 regions globally, and also apart from it, instead of just targeting Microsoft Store for the ads visibility of the apps, now these ads will also expand to the Bing search as well. So if somebody is searching on Bing, there is a possibility that the people who are advertising their apps in Microsoft, they can able to actually display these ads in the Bing search as well, which is very good for those companies who are dependent on Microsoft application and getting their apps to the user. it will be very, very effective for this user. So I would say this would be very good for Windows application developers. So I will rate this update as 5 out of 10. Now, let's move forward and see Google debunks the index bloat theory. Now, actually, there was one theory where what many people used to believe was Google will have a limit on number of indexing content, but John Mueller have debunked this, and he said that there is no limit on number of pages indexed per site based on the quality, based on the content which is provided by the website. If the quality and content is good, then Google doesn't set any limit on number of pages will be indexed from a given website. So for SEO point of view, this we have to remember that if you're providing quality, if you're providing good content, then definitely Google is going to index your content as much as possible. But if you don't provide valuable and relevant content, then Google obviously may not index all your pages as well. And then we have LinkedIn reveals messaging inbox for company. This is a small feature where Google have added this option of company pages can also have a separate inbox. This is same like your previously we have right now we have an Instagram and personal level we can have a separate messaging box. At the same time, company level we have a messaging box. The same way here LinkedIn has also added a separate inbox where company can directly speak with the users as well. So it's quite a simple feature for many businesses to use it in their business page. So I will rate this on a scale of 10 to be on the rating of 4, because it's not very a big update for a digital marketing context point of view. And Bing AI voice chat comes to the desktop. So basically the Bing AI, we have the voice chat option on the mobile, so that is going to be integrated for the desktop as well. This can be very helpful for those users who primarily use desktops. So this can be very, very effective for using the Bing chat feature and using the capabilities of ChatGPT and directly speaking with the Bing chat on the desktop and getting the right information from Bing chat. So this is a kind of update in the AI versions we have got. So I would say this can be a 5 out of 10 update for people who use desktop itself. So these are the updates of this week. I hope you have understood the simple update. And for your information, so this week we haven't have any big major SEO updates or a PPC updates, which will have a very huge impact. So this week was okay. It was not too complicated for digital marketing. I hope you have understood the simple summary of all the updates we have got in this particular week. If you like this particular video, please subscribe to our channel. And I will be this week we are going to launch a new program, which will be PPC program as well in English. So stay tuned, and we will be launching the PPC program very soon. Thank you very much.